Hello, violins. I'm going to show you how to do a couple of the shifting spots in Nightshift. And first, I'm just going to do it plucking in guitar position with the tapes so you can see. And I do recommend you doing this as well while you're practicing. So the first one we have is in the section at 14, where we shifted the third position for D on the A string at measure 15. But it starts at the second half of 13 and the pick up to 14. So we've got B, C, and we play the D twice. Then we replace with first finger, 1 whole step to E, whole step to F sharp. Then 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 is a half step away. Okay, so we've got whole step from 1 to 2, E, whole step to F sharp, and then half step to G. If you're like me and you have kind of bigger fingers, I have to pull my third finger out of the way a little bit for that pinky spot. Okay. So just take a couple of seconds, practice that position, and then try it from 15. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we shift back to first position. 3, 2, and then 18. This is open. 1, low 2. Okay. So let's try that shift again in measure 15. We're starting from third finger on D to 1. Let's just practice that a couple times. 3, 1. Make sure the thumb comes with. Then when we're in position, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. Make sure that's real close. 1. We play D first finger the first time, then slide back 3 the second time, 2. Okay? So let's start from 14. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shift back 3, 2. Okay, do that a couple times to get used to it. Then we can try it with the bow. So, shoulder rest fell off, put it back on. Let's just practice this replacement shift first. 3, 1. Okay, then start from 14. And remember, this is slur, separate. Slur, separate, slur, separate, then shift. 1, 2, whole step 3, lift, reset, slur, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, slide back, 3, 2. Okay, so let's try that with first finger on D, second finger E, third finger F sharp, fourth finger G. So from 15, 1, 2, 3, lift, 2, 3, separate, slur, separate, shift back. Okay, so take a few minutes, work through that. Okay, now the next spot that you have shifting is after 22, where we do it now on the E string. It's the same principle and concept and same finger pattern, but now we're on the E string going into third position. Remember, on the E string we have low 2 for G natural. Open E, it's a whole step away for first finger for F sharp, G natural, low 2. So again, we're doing a replacement. You're playing the pitch first in first position, and then you're replacing. And then 1, 2. Now whole step away, third finger. So we've got A, B, C sharp, D. then 3. Again, I've got big fingers, so I have to kind of scooch that 3rd finger out of the way to get 4th finger close enough. Then measure 30. We just stay in position. 4. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 3. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 2. Now we shift back. 4th finger. Okay, so let's go back to 127 and walk through this. So we've got 1, low 2, 3, replace, 1, whole step away 3 to half step 4. 4, stay there, stay there, shift back. And that's about it. At 42, you do the same shift as before that you did at 14. You go into 3rd position on the A string. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, low 4. 1, shift back. Shift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift back. Then arco at 50, same shift. 1, 52, low 4, 3, shift up, low 4. This is all in that position. Now this is the only one that's different. We go back to C sharp. 1, there you go. Slow this down, go back to the different spots to practice. You can do this.